How to fix sign in to complete purchase on App Store. Let's get started. The very first thing you wanna do is sign out and sign in back to your App Store. For that, launch your settings. At the very top, you're gonna find your Apple ID. Click on that. Now, at the bottom, you're gonna see the option of sign out. Click on that. Now, provide your Apple ID password and then sign out of your account. Then what you need to do is wait for a few minutes and then again sign in back. With that, your problem might be resolved. Next up, check your Apple ID payment information. For that, navigate to the option Payment and Shipping. Now check your payment details, card number, expiration date and CVV. Likewise, check your billing address. Then you can click on Done. Next, ensure you have a valid Apple ID. If your Apple ID has been deactivated or suspended for any reason, you won't be able to complete purchases. Check for pending App Store updates. For that, open your settings, click on General, click on Software Update. If you find any existing software updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is contact Apple support. For that, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in support.apple.com and then search for it. Once we're on the Apple support page, you can head over and discuss about the issue. With that, your problem will be resolved. So these are the ways to fix sign in to complete purchase error on App Store. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.